Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest tech and gadgets. Today, we're looking at the best option for upgrading your car's audio system. The Metra 72-4568 speaker harness for select GM vehicles. This isn't just any speaker harness. It's the best Metra 72-4568 available on the market today. Whether you're enhancing your factory system or repairing a damaged harness, this product is designed to make your installation seamless and hassle-free. Manufactured by Metra Electronics, a trusted name in car audio accessories, this harness is tailored for select GM vehicles from 1988 onwards. It connects your speakers directly to the factory harness, ensuring optimal sound quality without the need for cutting or splicing wires. What makes it stand out? Well, besides its compatibility with a wide range of GM models, including specific compatibility with the Saturn L Series 2000 to 2005 for subwoofer connections, it's engineered for durability and ease of use. Installing the Metra 72-4568 is a breeze. Simply plug it in, and you're ready to rock. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts looking to upgrade their car audio setup without the headache of complex installations. To sum it up, the Metra 72-4568 speaker harness offers unbeatable value, ease of installation, and compatibility that's hard to beat. Whether you're replacing old connectors or setting up a new system, this harness is your go-to choice. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest tech and gadgets. Until next time, happy listen up.